The $4.50 Walmart challenge has lived up to its expectations today. The Tsunami Citadel. $4.50 reel, rod reel combo from Walmart. Does the trick.
Yep.
They call it a slippery dick.
Yeah. Ooh, an even bigger dick.
We'll basically get right where they're at and we'll drop the anchor. There we go. Okay. I know that doesn't feel good, but it's going to be fine. Yeah, so there's just a little spot on his flipper that it's not even bleeding, so he's fine. We're going to let him go. Ready? Beautiful, isn't it?
Strawberry grouper.
You know those are called? Here, let me get it.
Strawberry, oh yeah. Are they like,
They're called a slippery dick.
yeah. Super strawberry.
It's a wrasse of some sort.
It's a strawberry grouper, that's what they call it.
Well, no, it's not a strawberry grouper. Oh, it's pissing. They call it a slippery dick.
Ooh, an even bigger dick.
$4.50 reel, rod reel combo from Walmart. Does the trick.
Yep.
Oh, I got him that time. Yeah. Dang it. Ow. Yeah, something little, I think.
Flounder or white one?
We got kitty catted. I need a pliers.
I'm surprised the thing is taking this long though. That one is
Oh, the line was all slimy. I hate these things. Look at my line. Look at that. This is why I hate catfish.
like boogers.
Disgusting, nasty things. Here. You think? gotta stop for a second. I barely even got him in the lip. Decent sized ladyfish. There he goes. The lip was kind of buggered up, so he didn't last long on there. Let's see what you got. Dang, that's a freaking huge wire. Let's see if you get let me pull it so I can get a picture of it. The $4.50 Wal-Mart challenge has lived up to its expectations today. The Tsunami Citadel. It's a medium action 7-foot rod. This thing was on clearance at Wal-Mart, rod and reel, and line on it, mind you, for $4.50. We've caught a sheep's head, a flounder, a shark, what else? A sea turtle, whiting, everything on this has pretty much been on this rod today. And the bobber just went under. Let's see what's going on now. I'll have another one on. I got whatever it is. It's not big, whatever it is, it's little. The $4.50 Wal-Mart combo hitting it again. Was that FWC? They look like them. Yeah. It kind of did.
I'm guessing whiting.
It's a catfish. A catfish again! We got kitty catted. Kitty cat! I know. Here. I'll get rid of this nasty thing. Go ahead and pull the anchor because we're done anyway. And just like that, that's a wrap. Done fishing for the day.